In this video, I'll show you how you can fix black screen in League of Legends. What you want to do is you want to come here and search for Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, go to Details, sort by the name, click anywhere and press L, and then we want to end task on our League stuff. So make sure League is completely closed down, then press R and make sure Riot Client is also closed down. So as you can see now, I have no Riot Client and no League of Legends. Then what you want to do is you want to come here and search for League of Legends, right click, open file location, do it again, and this will take you to the Riot Client folder. Inside here you want to right click on Riot Client Services, Properties, Compatibility, and make sure you activate Disable Full Screen Optimizations. So check this box right here, press OK, come back to Riot Games, League of Legends, and then you want to do it on the League Client.exe, Properties, Compatibility, do the exact same in here, scroll up, find Game, League of Legends.exe, and do the same, disable full screen, and then you just want to do it if you have it on your desktop as well, right here, disable. Once you've done it on all 4 of these, you just want to restart your PC and then it should work. Now for some people you don't even need to restart your PC, but this should fix the issue. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.